Access your free language gifts right now, before they expire. Here's what you're getting this month. First, the 24-hour Survival Phrases PDF cheat sheet. Do you know enough of the language to survive for 24 hours? If not, then this Survival Phrases cheat sheet will help you get by. Second, the How Are You and How to Answer It Writing Workbook. With this printable PDF, you'll learn all the ways to ask and answer the question, How are you? And you'll be able to practice writing the phrases out as well. Download it for free right now. Third, 30 music words for beginners. Learn how to say song, lyrics, melody, and much more with this quick 1-minute lesson. Fourth, can you talk about roads in your target language? Learn how to say road, highway, crosswalk, and much more with this quick vocab bonus. Fifth, must know Father's Day vocabulary. Can you say Father's Day in your target language? You'll be able to with this quick 1-minute vocabulary lesson. Sixth, free language learning audiobooks. Want free access to our huge library of beginner-level audiobooks? Then click the link below. Save the audiobooks to your device and listen and learn. They're yours to keep forever. To get your gifts and language learning resources, click the link in the description below. Download them right now before they expire.